Alright, today I'm going to be stress testing the PC at the moment, just to test the fans out, guys. So if you remember, I installed a heatsink, a £20 heatsink, guys. £20 CPU fan, I mean, very cheap. And yeah, it's doing a good job at the moment. As you can see, it's only at, what's it at now, 25 degrees at the highest core right now on idle, which is mad. Yeah, we're running at 5.1 GHz at the moment, so I'm gonna do a stress test. This will hit the CPU 100% every single core, and yeah, we'll see how hot this gets. On a stock cooler, on the Intel stock cooler that comes with this, I didn't get one, but some come with it. They hit temps of 80-90, so I'm not expecting anything like that. I'm expecting it to be worse than that, because the Intel one included is about £60-70 worth anyway. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Okay, we're on the stress now. We're already at 66 degrees. The max temps 68 degrees, 71. It's holding up alright actually, 73 degrees. Remember, we're 100% load. 75 degrees, there's no fan noise, can you hear it? You can't hear nothing. That's mental, isn't it? 76 degrees, guys. This is holding up really well. £20 cooler, guys. It's slightly creeping up. It's gonna keep creeping up, but it's doing alright, guys. I'm not gonna lie. You're never gonna be in a scenario where you're gonna be running this at 100% CPU usage all the time. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. 81 degrees, guys, and we're still running at 5.1 GHz. We've not dropped in frequency, which is mad. 82 degrees. So yeah, this CPU, it dies at 100 degrees like a T-junction. So yeah, we're quite far away from that. This is mad, guys. 83 degrees. Yeah, it's slowly creeping up, but it doesn't seem to want to go any higher, which is actually really good. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna leave it running for a second more. No, okay, yeah, now it's dropping in temps. Okay, 83 degrees is max, and look, as soon as I stop it, look how fast it cools down. Look, 35 degrees, nearly back to idle temps, which will go down to about 20 something, which is mad. So yeah, for £20 cooler, guys, it's fucking amazing, guys. And yeah, I'm going to do another test, check that out. I'm going to do, because right now we've got it set up as, let's see, oh shit, right now we've got it set up as a pull push fan thing, so air goes in, and we've got another one on the back that pushes the exhaust out, the hot air out into the other exhaust fan, so it pulls out that way as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it as stock as it comes, which is just the front fan on it with it. So I'm going to take that one off, and then I'm going to do another one where this front fan is actually on the back instead, so no fan at the front at all, and I'm going to do a video on that. We'll see what the results are. So with double on, with one on, with two on, stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this. Sorry guys. I'm really impressed with this £20 cooler, guys. It's amazing. £20, guys, and it's done this good. I forgot what the brand name was. What was it called? I can't remember, guys. It's in my it's on one of my videos, you'll see anyways. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I still need a monitor. If anyone wants to sponsor me, give me a monitor, give me a graphics card, give me SSDs. Yeah, please. Look, we're already at idle again. Idle temps 27 degrees. So if we're under 100% load, we get 83 degrees max. With it constantly at 100% load. You're never going to be on 100% load with this CPU on like games and stuff, even multitasking, because this is a very powerful CPU and it runs at 5.1 GHz. And yeah, you can always overclock it. That's the thing. So yeah, 14 cores, guys. Oof, powerful. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.